Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Harmony series. Today we're going to talk about how to customize your site menu's design so that you can simply match it with your site's theme or branding. So let's get started. First, click on your site menu element and on the action bar above, click on the All Design Options button. This window will appear. Here you can work on customizing the design of your menu bar, your menu items, as well as your scroll button. So you can work on those things one by one, starting with your menu bar itself. So you can customize its fill colors, borders, corners, shadow spacing, and layout according to your preferences. Then once you're done with that, you can move on to working on your menu items and by doing the same thing. And once you're done with that, you can also move into your scroll button in case you have a scroll button right here on your site menu element. Once you're done customizing your site menu, your changes will then automatically be saved on the Wix Harmony editor. So you're good to go. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.